It's day 358. Today was a decent day, I'd say. I did a ton of work. I spent most of the day locked in. It was more of just like a 2 steps backwards, 0 steps forward kind of day where nothing was fucking working. But I kind of had to overhaul the entire code on my software and reapproach the strategy I'm using to develop it. It's basically like, as someone with very little technical ability, it's like I'm just telling AI exactly what I want, you know what I mean? And my prompting got super lazy. So I was just like, oh, that's broken, fix this. Like, why the fuck isn't it working? Fix this. Like, you just get super lazy when you do it hours on end. And that just makes it way more unproductive. So I kind of reapproached it, and I spent some time learning actually like what different things do and like how my code actually works and runs together as a cohesive project. And I started to make some serious, not serious, but I started to make some actual progress towards the end of the day. So with that reframe, it wasn't a waste of a day because I learned how to actually use AI to code. Granted, I should have fucking known that from the beginning, but now I know. I think I'll make a lot more progress each day just because I know what I'm doing, or I know more of what I'm doing. I mean, because I probably had like 3 hours today where I was just like, I was stuck on the exact same problem and nothing was working and I didn't know why, and I just kept like going between different like AIs and being like, what the fuck is wrong, what's happening? And it would just give me prompts and it would like spit it out, and it would still break, and then something else would break, and then like by the end of it, my website looked like fucking way different. A bunch of shit was missing, so definitely not the strategy you want to use. Anyway, it was a good day. I'm locked in, so I've got my goal in mind. I got my mission and what I'm heading towards, and that's what I need. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going down that. I want to build the software out. I want to get it done in the next week or so, at least the very core structure. And it's super easy, especially with this. It's like, I'm not like crazy detail oriented, but I am in some ways, and it's like, it's so easy to like get sidetracked on like tiny little things, like how like I spent some time tweaking like the pop down when you click the profile, and like how it looks and how you can like scroll through it, and it's just like, so like I'm gonna fucking overhaul that shit eventually anyway. So it's like, can't spend too much time on that, but I do want to make it perfect or close to perfect as I can. But I could easily see I could get stuck in a trap of like over perfectioning like one tiny little aspect, which really is not going to move the needle. So you got to be proactive, and that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. I really wanted to finish today was my media kit editor. I think I explained in last video, but I'm close. Tomorrow 100% I'm going to be done with it, and it'll be able to do exactly what I want it to do, and I can move on to the next phase of the software. But today I guess was more of a learning day and understanding how to actually build the software out. So it's good. You know, I understand things a lot clearer now, which is something that I should have done earlier, but you know, shit happens. So yeah, that really does it for me today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.